So I had this remote, Sony Bravia remote, which is non-responsive for some of the buttons. Decided to take it apart, and I may as well make a video at the same time. Firstly, I've taken the three little screws out there, there and there, as well as the batteries. And then this is clipped on, so you need to carefully prise the side. I've done half of it already, so this there needs to be carefully unclipped. There we go, here we got the buttons, and there we got the top lid. The buttons are usually one membrane, so I should be able to lift the whole lot off with a bit of luck. And there we go. Oh, let's hope they're not going to fall apart. Put it down here, and there we got the circuit board here, which we need to clean.
Oh my god, yay!
All sticky glue in there. Obviously sometimes some lemonade or other stuff has fallen in there.
Oh, don't be putting anything on. Well, he's got the remote, that's why.
Okay, I got some brake cleaner.
Isn't it funny it's got pink and it's got pink and white?
Yeah, no, it's amazing. Okay, I put some brake cleaner on here and wiped the thing. This is all wet inside, so it's probably at some stage either cat piss or lemonade or something has fallen in there. So we're remedying it at the moment, cleaning the device up. And we do the same as the rubber membrane pads. They're all wet here as well, so they need a bit of a wipe here, and carefully clean them up and get rid of all the foreign metals, let's say it in the correct way. And then we put it back together and let's see it works. Okay, the rubber membranes are back in place, so it's a matter of clipping the lid back on. This side view of the device. And the buttons appear to be less sticky too now. Now lid is back on the device, and I'm going to click it back into place. And check for alignment on the sides, so the sides are all good. I think nearly. Click here. Back in go the three little screws. Okay, the screws are back in, the batteries are back in. I got two different ones, but that's alright, it works. And the response is better than ever.
Were 3 protesters killed when security forces in
Channel 12, Channel 6 was always a problem thing.
Wednesday nights.
1 response instantly, 7 was a response, good.
And on demand.
And the most important one, which wasn't working for a while, is the up-down button. And it works now. Cool, I'll put it back on the other side. A, B, C, D, E, F, click. And the test, the response is good on the device.